Assalamualaikum, hope you are all fine. Today we learn the chapter entering the data. Numeric data. A data which has number from 0 to 9 is called numeric data. Here are some numeric data items. Now come to page 28. Alphanumeric data, the data that is composed by alphabets or alphabets with numbers is called alphanumeric data. Here are some alphanumeric data items. Input device. A keyboard looks like a typewriter. It is known as a keyboard because it has many keys on it which are used for typing. Now come to page 29. Alphabetic keys. The keys on which the letters like A, B, C, etc. are printed are called the alphabetic keys. There are 26 alphabetic keys on a keyboard. Alphabetic keys are used to type the capital letters from A to Z or small letters from A to Z. Now come to page 30. Special keys. A keyboard has some special keys which are used for special purpose. Some of the special keys are as follows. Spacebar. This is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between words while typing the text. Now come to page 31. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type capital letters. When lock is pressed, a green light appears on the top right hand side of the keyboard. Capital letters are typed when it is on. When caps lock is off, small letters are typed. Caps lock can be turned on by pressing the caps lock key once. It is turned off by pressing the caps lock key again. Shift key. When you hold down the shift key and press any other key on the keyboard, the character printed on the upper side of the key appears on the screen. Now come to page 32. Enter key. This is a special key. When you press this key, the data which was typed earlier goes for processing. If you press this key while typing the data, you get the next line to type the next data. Escape key. ESC is a short form for escape. This key helps you to escape from executing the given command or current word. By pressing this key, you can terminate any running program, can cancel the given instruction, and can stop any running games. Delete key. The delete key is used to erase a letter or number typed wrongly or by mistake. To delete a letter or number, bring the cursor just before the letter to be deleted and press the delete key. Now come to page 33. Arrow keys. Arrow keys have got arrows printed on them. These keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Cursor is a blinking line that can be seen on the monitor's screen. The cursor shows the position where the character is typed from the keyboard. Arrows keys are used to move the cursor in different direction, that is up, down, left or right. Arrows keys are also called cursor movement keys. Function keys. There are keys on which F1, F2, F3, etc. are printed. These keys are called function keys. These keys perform different functions. You will learn more about them in higher classes. Now come to page 34. Numeric keys. Numeric keys are keys on which numbers from 0 to 9 are printed. These keys are used for typing numbers. These are also called number keys. On pressing a number key, the number printed on the key appear on the screen. डेटा में पाए जाने वाले नंबर्स 0 से लेकर 9 तक न्यूमेरिक डेटा कहलाते हैं. अल्फ़ाबेट्स के साथ नंबर्स अल्फ़ान्यूमेरिक डेटा कहलाता है. कीबोर्ड दिखने में बिल्कुल टाइपराइटर जैसा होता है. इसे कीबोर्ड इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सी कीज़ होती हैं और ये टाइपिंग के लिए यूज़ होता है. जिन कीज़ पर अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखे हों जैसे कि A, B, C, वो अल्फ़ाबेटिक कीज़ कहलाती हैं. ये 26 कीज़ होती हैं. कीबोर्ड में सबसे बड़ी की पाई जाने वाली की स्पेस बार कहलाती है. F1 से लेकर F12 तक पाई जाने वाली कीज़ फंक्शन कीज़ कहलाती हैं। किसी भी चीज़ को रेस करने के लिए डिलीट की यूज़ होती है। ESC शॉर्ट फॉर्म है एस्केप की। जब हम इंटर की प्रेस करते हैं तो हमारा वर्क प्रोसेसिंग पे चला जाता है। जिन कीज़ पर नंबर्स लिखे हों 0 to 9 वो न्यूमेरिक कीज़ कहलाती हैं। बाज़ कीज़ पर 2 कैरेक्टर्स प्रिंट हैं। अपर साइड की अपेयर करने के लिए हमें शिफ्ट की का यूज़ करना पड़ता है। कैपिटल लेटर्स के लिए हमें कैप्स लॉक का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है। डेटा की 2 अक़साम हैं, न्यूमेरिक डेटा, अल्फ़ान्यूमेरिक डेटा। होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड। आई विल बी बैक विद नेक्स्ट न्यू चैप्टर। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।